This insurance agent made $20,000 in 30 days. He wasn't lucky. He followed a simple system. And I'm about to show you how you can do it too. So get a pen and paper so you can figure this out and go, if I join this team, could I also do that? And the answer is yes. So to make $20,000, if we imagine that the policies that we sell are $100 a month, all right? And that's $1,200. We would need to sell 4 policies a week to be $5,000 annualized premium. And we'll just use for the example today that your commission percentage is 100%. Now, when you first start with us, it's 80, but in a very short period of time, you could be up at 100, 110, 115, 120, all the way up to 145. But for the example today, I want to show you how you can also make $20,000 in 30 days if you choose to join our agency and get involved in this wonderful business. So if you were to sell 16 policies in a month, that's going to be averaging $20,000. And now we always have to look at the activity that it takes to get that, because we call it reverse engineering, and you have to reverse engineer what you want to accomplish. So in order to get 16 policies, you need to probably give 64 presentations in a period of a month. And we have agents that do this all the time. So these numbers I'm giving you are real numbers from agents in our agency that have done this for years. I'm just trying to give you an example of what it would look like for you. And in order to give 64 presentations in a month, you're probably setting 100 appointments. And if you're setting 100 appointments, that means you're getting a certain number of dials in every day. You're having a certain number of leads so that you're not running out of people to call. And you're keeping score. You have a chart that every day you're keeping track of it. But in the course of the month, your goal is real simple. Set those 100 appointments, do 64 presentations. If you do 64 presentations, you're probably going to close 16 of them. And if you do, you're also going to make $20,000. It's very doable. We have agents in our agency, and I'm not kidding you, that write 16,000 in a day. I last week had a $27,000 week. We have agents that write over $100,000 a month all the time. And once you hit the $20,000 level, it's not long before you're writing $30,000 a month and $40,000 a month and $50,000 a month. These are reality type situations that if you put the time in, you put the studying in, you're coachable, you're willing to put the work in, you also can make this kind of money. So if this is interesting to you, if this is exciting to you to know that you can make a decision in the next few months, also be making $20,000 or more, direct message me back and I'll show you the blueprint.